Hi there. Here is a video to show you how you can take pictures of your child's homework assignments and then upload them to their personal Google Drive folder. This way, I can have all their work ready in their folder and pulled up on my computer screen in preparation for their sessions. So let me go ahead and share screen. I'm actually on my cell phone, so I'm going to kind of show y'all how this works. Here we go. Okay. So let's say you have your child has, a few homework pages or if it's notes or something that they need some extra help with, right? You are going to, on your phone, you're going to actually take pictures of their work. So I'm going to this is just a quick sample. I'm going to take a picture. Make sure it's very clear. Please excuse me, y'all. But I want to go through the whole process, right? Let's pretend this is the second page of their homework that you want me to be able to assist them with. Okay, so we take a picture. Now after that, you're going to go to their actual Google Drive, which I'm going to send a link to you. But this is one of the students. It's loading up. Her name is Kamora, and I have a file folder. As you can see, her name is at the top left-hand corner. I'm going to go to this little plus button. Now I have an Android phone, so it may look a little bit different if you have an iPhone, but it's the basic ideas. You're going to go upload. And then usually, so on here, I can see at the top, those two pages that I just took pictures of. And I'm going to select it top right-hand corner. And you can just add them right there. So we see it's you want to press the upload button. Like I said, it may look different, but in just a moment, in a few moments, now you see those pictures are now here. There's the first picture, right? And there's the second one. So it's all about being able to quickly upload our students' work into their folder. Throughout the day or throughout the week, they may get different notes. If there's a test that they brought home, if it's an assignment, you just want me to see, right, what it is, please upload it and feel free in that folder to actually name. That's even better. If you can put the name of the assignment or maybe the subject and the date, then that will help me to quickly be able to identify what work is there. And then feel free to say, hey, Miss A, we just sent you some work. Send me a text message or something just so I know, that there's some work there. And that just helps us to save time and be more efficient with the academic coaching session. So thanks so much for your support. Let me know if you have any questions.